Hi there! So, I had to take a break on the Chief and get back to the NOS Sport Scout because the Sport Scout is under construction for 5 years now, and because I've got all the goodies to complete the engine now and to mount a motorcycle. The Chief is still waiting for some parts, waiting for some machinists to come back from holidays, so let's unpack this and see what we have here. A nice thick oil pump gasket, head screws, more modern spark plug wire. You will see how that looks on the bike. And here I have the timing cover, a brand new one made in Germany, that will fit the late 47 aluminium oil pump on the Sport Scout engine. We will compare the timing covers, this one with the original one, and see what differences we have. Control wire, a plated sprocket, and I'm checking twice, I hope we don't forget a part here. And the parts that we've been waiting for the most, they was first ordered a year ago, and then we find out they didn't receive an order, reordered. My client Christoph reordered the pistons. They are fresh, made in Germany, custom made for this stroker project. I would like to see how this one's fit and how everything fits, and what still has to be machined or done on the motorcycle. Some nice connectors we have here also. The best news for today is the long-awaited pistons are properly made, exactly on the specification we gave. I had a little bit of doubt if they will make it 19.04 millimeters as we asked for. They are exactly as we asked. They fit perfectly to the cylinders that are already honed and ready to be mounted. So the next thing I want to do is mount the engine, but just a test assembly to see if the height of the pistons is right. I will mount only one piston with I had the rings removed. The other one I will leave it as it is and just clean another time more, sorry, and then mount it final. They also have some signs, probably one side comes to the exhaust. It's a K written here, must be German. Yes, so let's see how we will mount the engine cases. I was first mounting the flywheel in the cases to check the thrust washers, to check this plate, the side plate of the flywheel. Now the plate is good, okay, just for a test mounting, but I also have to check that the thrust washers are so put that the rods are in the middle of the cylinders. So I will check a little bit more my thrust washers and see where I can get to the straightest point over here, and after that just mount the rollers and 2 bolts on the engine to check the pistons in the cylinders. I was mounting the cylinder and the piston without the rings, so I can turn it freely and see if the height of the piston is good. I love that. Look how nice this rotates. So pistons are perfect. Now that I'm sure the pistons are good, I will demount again the engine and continue with the work on the timing side and adapting the newer aluminum oil pump to this engine. Once that is complete, I can mount the engine for good. I just wanted to show you the piston difference. This is a standard Scout, Sport Scout piston, the one in the left, and this one is the stroker piston we are using, the ones that were made in Germany on our demand, custom made pistons, sorry. So our stroker is using Harley VL 750 flywheels and rods. I had to replace the bushings and put Indian size so we can fit the Indian pistons. We will use Harley thrust washers. They have some custom shafts that were bolted into the Harley flywheel that will fit the Indian cases and sizes and the flywheel mounting. So this is sorted out. Our pistons that we have ordered are super good. Next will be to adapt a more modern oil pump. I had an episode already about this. We wanted to mount it with an adapter plate to the old type of oil pump, the cast iron cover, and we decided we don't want an adapter plate over here. So Christoph, my client, ordered the brand new custom made cover that should fit this oil pump. I say should because I see something that I don't like. No, it's all super good. So next would be to make these special cam bushings that were only used on these cases. As you can see, they are considerably bigger in the holes here. The holes in the crankcase are way bigger than the stock bushings, so I had to buy special bronze and machine them. It's just the bulk machinery. I will have to calculate the side play and everything and make them fit perfectly, the cam followers and everything. So that would be in the next episode. Thank you for watching. I will show you also a close-up of all the parts. It might be useful for some people that want to build a stroker scout. If not, just for your entertainment. Thank you for watching.